I would say this is truly tricky. Question 12, nasty one this. But you've got to think. An isosceles triangle, if it has a right angle in it, then you can work out what the other two angles will be. Just with any triangle, it's got to be 180 in total, those internal angles. So in this case, for the first one, we could have the two angles being, well, we would have to have the two angles being 45 degrees. Now it says there's a right-angled triangle with an angle of 80 degrees. Well, the angle of 80 degrees must be up there because one of the angles is a right angle. So in this case, we've got 80 plus 90, which is 170, and the final angle must therefore be 10 degrees. So angle 2, if it's a right angle triangle, angle 2 should be 90, and angle 3 will have to be 10. Now the third one down is an isosceles triangle with one angle of 70. Now that could be up at the top like that, or it could be the two angles, in this case at the bottom. Let's take this at the top. We've therefore got 180 minus 70 to go. That's 110, and those, as we know, it's an isosceles triangle, so those two bottom angles have to be equal, so they'll both be 55. Remember, it says Anna has 4 different triangles, so the final one looks confusing because it looks exactly the same, but here we can now have our isosceles triangle where the two bottom angles are 70. 70 plus 70 is 140. Take that from 180, and the top angle therefore has to be 40 degrees. It's also an isosceles triangle, but it's different because the 70 is in a different place.